section, we will be discussing an experiment. With an experiment, we have to come up with a different design than what we have when we are able to sample from the population. In general, we know that we've got a population of people that we want to know about. However, we won't be able to ask every person equally in the population. We've got a characteristic that we are interested in knowing about, and certain people share that characteristic. Now, under certain circumstances, we won't actually be able to find every single person in the population of people that share that characteristic. So we will ask people to join our experiment, and they volunteer to be part of our sample. Now, we've seen in the past that people that volunteer tend to have similar characteristics in mind, and that might affect the outcome of our study. So because we don't have a random selection of people, we now need to take into account some way to randomize the people before we collect data. And we call this randomization. So we will randomize our people, and then we will collect data to calculate statistics, to conduct inference, to learn about the parameters, or the parameter that specifically describes the population of interest. So again, the whole reason behind doing an experiment is because we need to find volunteers that want to be part of the experiment, but then we need to come up with some way that we can randomize them to be part of our experiment.